Hey everyone, Dave Cook to Franco Finishes. I'm here with Alma. So Alma, what did we do for you?
Yes, hi David. You were referred by Eric, who's my designer, and he and I picked out this wallpaper, commercial wallpaper, and after having gone through two other wallpaper guys who just never showed up and never called me back and all that kind of stuff, he gave me your name and number. So took us some time to get you over because you were busy, but I was thrilled that you did all this in one day. So it's the foyer, the hallway down here, the hallway over here, and then two walls in the living room, and it just turned out beautiful. So thank you so much. And when I saw there was a few little issues, you came back and you took care of it right away. And you know, you do quality work and you stand behind your workmanship and everything, and I appreciate that you were here on time every day. You know, well, it was just that one day, but you were on time when you got here when you said you were, so it was really good, and I definitely recommend you. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks.